Hey, good morning, everybody. InsuranceNick here from Lademan Insurance Agency, and today we have a special guest that we're going to go ahead and showcase. That's right, Eureka Body and Fender. Let's check it out. All right, good morning. InsuranceNick here from Lademan Insurance Agency, and this morning I'm standing between two gentlemen I think a lot of the community knows, but I'd rather you guys introduce yourselves, so go ahead first.
Hi, my name is Ken Overholzer. I'm a co-owner of Eureka Body and Fender.
Hi, I'm Mike Paquette, and I'm also co-owner of Eureka Body and Fender.
Now, look, I wanted to bring you guys into this operation, very much so because our family's been in business since 1947 in insuring the Denver community, and a very big part of our business, well, happens to be these guys right here. You know, they meet our clients by accident. I know, bad dad joke there. But regardless, you guys just do a great job. And I wanted people to see what you do and get a little bit behind the scenes. So would you explain a little bit about the process of what maybe a customer may experience when they come to you?
Well, the customer comes in, of course, they've had an accident. It's not always a pleasant experience. They come in, we are direct repair for most insurance companies, which means it's a seamless transition from us receiving the assignment. Once they make the claim, whether they talk to you or they call the claims office, and we receive the assignment, we look at the car, we order parts, we set them up for an appointment, we fix the car, we do direct billing with the insurance companies.
Man, you make it pretty seamless.
Yeah, and we're direct repair for most of the insurance companies downriver. Citizens, State Farm, Safeco, Liberty Mutual, MEMIC AAA, Frankenmuth, and a bunch of smaller companies.
Great. So, I mean, if you're out there right now and you want to find out if they're a preferred vendor for you guys, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call. What's our phone number here?
734-285-9585.
And what's our address here?
Our address is 1801 Eureka Road in Wyandotte.
Okay.
We're
so
5 blocks east of 4th Street.
So there you go. Very easy to get to and take care of. Now, there's always a big push. I think one of the big things that I talk to with our customers, they're always asking the question about OEM. They want the original equipment manufacturer. So how does that work for your shop here?
Sure. Well, we always like to use OEM parts. And as you know, as an agent, you can sometimes buy a rider on the policy to get those OEM parts. But being that we have a great relationship and we are certified by a lot of the OEM manufacturers, they give us an extra incentive to sometimes that we can match the price. So while the insurance company writes for OEM, not all the time, or they write for aftermarket, we can buy the OEM parts and put them on the car.
Oh, so you've got good relationships with these guys, with the actual manufacturers themselves to get OEMs.
Right.
All right, now let's talk about the certification.
Sure. All of our guys are ASE certified. They're also state certified. We are also platinum and gold for ICAR. And we have our certifications through some of the OEMs.
So this guarantees the work that's done above and beyond just getting the OEM parts. We're now talking about the actual quality of the service of the work is all guaranteed for the manufacturer as well then, correct?
Correct. All our guys are trained and ready to go.
Yeah, they've set up for a third-party service to come in and they certify the training that our technicians have had. They certify that we have all the equipment that is needed to properly repair these cars to OEM standards.
That's a big deal. And not everybody has that, right? Because from a community standpoint, having an OEM certification, how many of there are you?
There's probably only 5 shops in the entire southeast Michigan area.
And we are lucky enough in our community to have one of them right here in Wyandotte. So congratulations. Now, you guys have been in business since when?
Since 1972.
1972. Holy moly. You guys don't look that old.
Well, thank you. Appreciate that. I feel old, but...
Well, all right, fair enough. You know, they've got a beautiful shop back here. You guys may not be able to see it from the camera, but everything is done meticulously. They take care of clients. I know that what happens from a customer standpoint, what really got my attention was, and you guys really do focus on your customer experience here in your business, because you send everybody, do you want to know how you did? You send them a follow-up card.
Sure, survey card.
Well, that survey card, to show you what kind of dedication that these gentlemen have in their business, the survey cards don't just stop here inside their 4 walls. They actually go back out to us as agents. We get to see how well of a job they did for our clients. And that's a big deal because it's a direct reflection on our agency when we set people up with insurance. So I have to thank you guys very much for that, because that is a big deal to me from professionalism, and I'm just proud to have you guys as obviously a preferred vendor for our company as well. So,
Thank you.
all right. Now, is there any offers that you guys want anybody to know about? Maybe free loan?
Sure. Yeah, we also have a free loaner program. If you don't have car rental insurance or car rental coverage on your policy, we do provide free loaners. You can stop in, call, we can go over the details of that with you, but they are available.
All right, so there you guys go. So now, yet another service you're providing to the customers. So again, get down here. If you got a bump, a ding, a scratch, or a big repair, then obviously come on in, see these guys, get your vehicle checked out, and get back on the road. All right,
Sounds good.
Good deal. Thanks, guys.